helps prevent future breakouts. I love, love, love the refining mask. I use it every single night as a spa treatment. It's a miracle work on my skin. It's amazing.
Order Proactive for only $19.95 and you'll get the fast-acting refining mask, plus the cleansing
Hi.
moisturizer at no extra charge.
I just thought Mark was going to be too big to trick. But it was really important. I just started to say things straight up.
I can't believe
It feels so good to have good
Proactive, the number one best-selling acne in the world, is rated best acne treatment by
Yeah.